think it looks amazing. Pacific Coat Powder did a fantastic job. Jeremy did a fantastic job. The guys are killing it. It looks amazing. You can take a look at it.
Super happy with the powder. I think the powder looks great. The gold powder is difficult to do. I think everybody kind of understands that. But the illusion stuff is difficult also. Like last time we used the same color, a different powder coater, the spindles were different color than the frame, the body mounts were different color than the frame, the cross members were different colors, and the battery mounts. This one, they knocked it out of the park.
What we're doing here is we're making the interior color, which we've matched to the leather interior. The whole idea is to have the whole interior kind of blend together, just one big punch in the face as the contrast to the gold to the outside. So I know a lot of people are probably going to be looking at this in the beginning going, what the f is that? But hopefully in the end it'll all make sense. The bed liner, the interior material, the interior as far as everything that's getting painted, and underneath the hood everything is all one color, and then the outside's the gold. So hopefully the contrast will kind of pull it all together and make you say, why didn't I think of that? Go in there and lay a coat down while you film me, and then you can come out and then I'll do my job.
Get out of the way from my truck. It's not yours until I'm done with it.
The one truck that will put you on the map, and that's
Do you know
how
what
you're gonna treat
Montevideo
your
was?
customer.
All I want is this little wire to go to this little plug and go click like that.
Says power on the negative side as well. I think it's nice to have it outside and laid out. That's what I think. I agree.
None of the color choices were mine anyway. So if you love it or hate it, I either don't get blamed for it or I don't get the credit for it because it's all Frank.
back over here at Frank's. The truck has kind of bounced back and forth between Frank's shop and our shop in the last week or two. He's got everything painted, and it came over to us. We got it all running and driving. Phytech fired up on the first try, second try, I think? Third try. Brian's shaking his head no. It did not fire up. We were not getting spark. So the next day, I came in and I swapped the distributor real quick to an HEI distributor, and then it was second try, I think, that it fired up. So anyway, I forget about the bad times, I only remember the good times. So now it's back over at Frank's after it's 90% wired. We're waiting on a couple of powder coat parts to come back from Patco's Powder, mainly grill pieces, so we can wire headlights. Like I say, it's getting color sand buffed. This is covered up right now because it is already buffed. They're working on the bed. Steve's working on the sub box. Once the sub box is done, it'll go in the bed, and then the bed can be dropped on for the hopefully only time. And then we wire up taillights, install the lift mechanism for the tonneau cover, and we'll get James over here to do some glass, and we'll be done. So stay tuned for the next video. Watch all of our other videos on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one. Later.
What's next?
Just stand here and watch them work, and then probably repeat. Stand here and watch them some more.